Hi, so today we're visiting Paul Dana Kitchen. There's also Ryan and Leora.
Yeah.
And so it's a family that we did their kitchen a couple of months ago, and they have been using it and enjoying it. And we just wanted a couple of words to. I already went over some of the details, but we just wanted to ask Dana how are you guys liking the kitchen, and how was your experience with Symphony Kitchens?
Great. Our experience was great. We have two little kids, so it was important for us to have it quickly and efficiently, which was the case. And also, we have a lot of people who cook in the kitchen, so to have a kitchen designed that more than one person can work at the same time. We don't like sharing, so it was great because we had a lot of work surfaces that were really easy to do more than one thing. We also have a lot of little hands in the kitchen, so they can come and help, and it doesn't feel crowded. And being, my father being a professional chef, he had very clear ideas of what he wanted, and being able to work together at really having a vision of what works, but then what looks good, and bringing that together was really important for us. And Oleg did a great job doing that. So we're very excited.
Thank you. And what was the hardest part of the renovation process? Because we also had our contractor, Yuri from Kazakhstan was involved, so you had to deal with him a little bit as well, and all the other contractors. How do you find that experience?
Right. Overall, I think we had great experience. We changed the whole floor. So I guess the hardest part was just taking out a floor and bringing in a new floor. But again, we kind of had a tight timeline that was really kept, which was really great with being working full time and having two little kids. So we were able to do it in a very quick way, and definitely worth it at the end, having a wonderful kitchen and a wonderful floor to work with. And Yuri was great. We loved him.
Awesome. Well, we thank you very much. It was a pleasure working with you, with the kids, with the whole family. We had a lot of fun. We had, I think, good meetings, and the design process was interesting. It was different. Like I said, I learned, that I can fit a 16-inch fridge in such a small space, and it looks awesome. Now I know I don't have to worry about it, and I offer it to people as well. So we all learned something, and I'm happy that you guys are enjoying it. And
lots of compliments we got from
Yeah.
it, from a lot of different people.
So, like the previous customer said, my neighbors are jealous. I think
it's the same case. We had a lot of people coming here who either are really interested in design or really interested in cooking, or some of both, and all of them liked it equally. So that was really nice.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much, Dana, and we hope you enjoy your kitchen for a long time.
Thank you.